Hi friends, I'm CC and welcome to Hobby Hands. In this vlog, we're going to do an unboxing of the 1/72nd scale HobbyBoss model of the UH-1B Huey. Model was issued in around 2019, and a bit of history. The Huey has been in service since the early 60s and it's a regular on a lot of battlefields. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so firstly we'll have a look at the instruction manual. Very simple instruction manual, pretty cluttered but all in a couple of pages. And the parts list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 sprues of grey plastic and one sprue here of clear plastic. The clear plastic is quite good. There's not much distortion and it's pretty clear. And the plastic parts with access panel lines, not much flash, and there's some ejector pin marks but pretty easy to clean off. Okay, and also there's one page of painting or paint schemes. Two paint schemes involved. One was in Vietnam during 1964 and this one is for the medical attachment in Vietnam. No date, so probably in the same era. So as you can see, I've actually already started a little bit of painting of the parts. So this is the actual fuselage and I started painting the inside of the fuselage. Also done, this is the clear parts and I've dipped this in pledge so that they become nice and clear. As you can see, very shiny, very clear, and not much distortion. I've also got some parts here which I've started to build and paint. These are the internal parts. So as you can see, this is the interior with the instrument panels actually painted on. So it's got raised details and I just painted on with a brush. So that's that bit. There's some chairs or bench seats. And this is probably the pilot's and the co-pilot's seats, which I started to paint. Got a small bench seat again. And these are the doors. I painted the inside of the doors just like a bluish grey. So those are the painted bits. And there's a fuselage. Show you some of the other sprues. This one contains the rotor blades and some of the little bits and pieces. That's the landing kits. Some of these are the interior parts, which I will do a build video in time to complete this model. That's the tail rotor blade and a bit of the main part of the main rotors. This one is a bit of the engine parts. This one is the bit that goes behind, like that. I think that's how it goes. The elevator, and this sprue here contains all the weapons. You can see there's some sort of missiles or rockets, different types of multi-rocket thing. Okay, different rocket pods. That's what it is. Comes with a small decal sheet. Just cut it open for you. There's a decal sheet stuck together. That's what it looks like on the inside. Decals are pretty well printed and pretty clear and well aligned and colorful. And there you go. That's what's inside the box. So what we'll do is we'll do another video soon, and that's a build video of this model. Paint and build and have all the decals put on, and hopefully it turns out to be a nice little model for display. So there you go. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like for now, and thanks very much for watching. See you next time.